Nel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Finally, the most awaited night is almost here. Ang Miss Grand Philippines 2025 Grand Finale. Ito ang gabi kung saan makakasaksi tayo ng kasaysayan. Ngayong taon, mas pinabongga at mas pinaghandaan ang kompetisyon. At syempre, hosting the night is none other than our Miss World Asia 2025 Krishna Gravides. Isang tunay na queen na siguradong magdadala ng elegance at excitement sa coronation event. Sa gabing ito, makikita natin ang ultimate showcase of beauty, grace and grandeur mula national costumes, swimsuit, evening gown hanggang the final Q&A. Lahat magiging matindi at makulay. Dito natin makikilala ang bagong Miss Grand Philippines 2025 na siyang magdadala ng ating bandila sa international stage at lalaban para maging susunod na Miss Grand International. Talaga namang most awaited ito ng fans kasi bawat kandidata ay may sariling kwento, sariling laban at sariling lakas na ipapakita. Kaya't siguradong hindi lang ito beauty contest, kundi isang celebration of culture, pride, and empowerment. Who do you think will be the next Miss Grand Philippines 2025? And let's hope for a back-to-back title for Miss Grand International 2025 competition. This is Nel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Don't forget to like and subscribe dahil patuloy tayong magbibigay ng mga bagong balita and updates. Maraming salamat sa panonood.